I just like the culture of the people. I like the company. I like the quality of the equipment that we deal with. We're dealing with one of the best manufacturers in the world. They're a market leader in what they do, and just the pride that people have within the company here to do better.
Some of the industries you work in are really wide and varied. It's really good actually. Just last week I was in Hobart working with a customer who were making parts for boats and marines. And there are many customers around doing so many various things that not many people are aware of. It's really good actually. Customers where they're making parts for the film industry.
Okuma Australia and New Zealand have 50 plus employees. So our service and support is a huge part of that. We're very lucky to have such a strong team and very lucky that we can offer that to our customers because they recognise that and it's important for their business.
I would encourage anyone to work at Okuma because of the culture we have, the work diversity, and our machine technology is one of the best.
I feel like our customers genuinely appreciate our support for their business. Knowing that you've gone above and beyond supporting them, it can also reflect in their gratitude for your help.
Yeah, so I also come out and help the service engineers with installations and breakdowns, and I still absolutely love to go out and get my hands dirty.
Because I've got a new kid, new family, being able to manage and sort my own schedules out. It's been a great key component to how I manage my life.
At Okuma we have several employee-assisted programs, including platforms for work health and safety, employee wellbeing programs, and an Okuma mentoring program.
Every day I come in here, I feel valued and appreciated, and when I take leave and I come back, I'm always told that I'm missed, and that I do love about Okuma.
I'd say the best part about working at Okuma is the diversity of the work. You get to meet new people all the time. You're in a different place every day. You get to travel a bit when they need you in other states, and you can speak with the other guys in the company. Yeah, it's always good, it's always positive.